I think the difference with Onboard is we are just driven to look after the customer's boat like it's our own. Everyone's got that same sort of mindset.
Whether it's your small tinny or your small runabout or your sailing yacht or your super yacht, we aim to please. We go above and beyond. So I remember one time we had a call on Christmas Eve and he's got flat batteries. I come down with the team, we just replaced all his batteries and he was out using his boat within hours. It doesn't seem like much, but the feeling that gave us is it's indescribable.
Everybody here is really passionate about what they do. One of the things being up in the office we do hear a lot is the great customer feedback.
I reckon we make a huge difference in the lives of the boat owners we work with. Just the consistency of work that we do. After you do a big job on a boat, you're seeing the owner's face all happy. It just makes it all worth it.
It's important that they can have that trust and that they can get on the boat and go to Pittwater or go to Hamilton Island and know that the boat's going to be safe, reliable. And then if they do have any problems, that we're here 24/7.
We've got a lot of long-term loyal customers. We've got Manly Fast Ferries, the Navy, Maritime, Marine Rescue, we've got Water Police. It says a lot about Onboard reputation that, you know, over the years we just keep growing and growing and growing.
We've got staff of sort of 18 people. We all come here each day because we love it. We really enjoy what we do. People have that trust in us and know that if it's not the guy who was there last time, well, he's got the same work ethic, the same skill set that's been trained, you know, by us to make sure that the job's done at the same standard. There's a system in place.
Half the time they're not there, so they're relying on the communication from the boys to let us know the job's done or how the boat's performed.
We take on the jobs that no one else will take on. When someone says, oh, I can't get the engine out of here, well, we figure out a way to get it out. We do all that in-house to do it safely and to do it with minimal impact on the boat.
Mate, it's cool doing something that there's no actual book or manual how to do it. You're a doctor, you got to diagnose, you got to find the problem. That's an art in itself. You can't fix something properly if you haven't diagnosed it properly.
We don't just go there for the simple get in, get out, get service done and get paid, you know. It's not just driven for the money. We do it because we want the customer for life and we want to make sure that their boating is as safe and enjoyable as possible.
Nothing makes us happier than knowing we've done a really good job. Clients can just come to the marina, drop their ropes and just enjoy their boating time.